Morning, Steve Reed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, we probably have three issues in the marketplace today. Right now we've got weather. We have one map that shows normal weather the first week in August. The other map shows hot and dry conditions. The 6 to 10 day and the 8 to 14 day kind of goes with the map that's warmer and drier. So now we have to kind of decide if we're going to put any weather premium back in the market that we recently have taken out. Secondly is export sales. I think the market's hoping to see some good numbers, especially in the beans and corn. I think the market is a little disappointed that China hasn't bought more beans to date versus what expectations were, but we are getting some indication that we're getting better export demand because of what's going on in Brazil. The weather forecast for France to Ukraine is drier than normal, and that might also bring some corn business to us. And then we've got a sharply lower dollar. It's kind of a post-U.S. Fed comments, and that could be helping commodities, but it adds to some of the uncertainty as far as the economics are concerned. So the question is, do we have enough momentum to push back over $10 beans, $3.50 corn, and $4.40 wheat? And a lot of people say that we really don't, because we're still looking at record yields across the Midwest, and the funds might position themselves going into the August 12th crop report to pounce on a bearish report and put the market back lower. Export sales, we're expecting somewhere around 300, maybe 400,000 tons of old crop beans and 700 new crop. Corn, maybe 400 old and maybe 550, 650 new. And as far as wheat, maybe about 500,000 tons. Second day of the annual spring wheat tour up in North Dakota found a yield of 47 versus 47 last year and 46 average. Funds yesterday, buyers of beans, meal, corn, sellers of oil and wheat. And they're, again, I think we're just right at a price level that's pretty critical on the resistance side. Pushing through that could bring in more buying. Failure could bring in more liquidation of the long bean position the funds have, adding to a small short in the corn and increasing their big short in the wheat market. So a lot to chew on going into August, and it's usually a pretty volatile month. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.